Start?
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome. Thank you, Terence, for being here with us in Rio de Janeiro. And my name is Kelly Tavares. I would like to introduce you to the Valongo Wharf. The Valongo Wharf, Terence, is where more than 1.5 million people were brought from different parts of Africa, especially the West Africa or Mozambique also, and Mozambique. And this port that you see here with this archaeological window, it was hidden for 100 years from us. First, in the 18th century, the flow of African enslavement was growing progressively, and with the arrival of the Portuguese family, the royal family, to Brazil in 1808, these increased in 4 times. So the slave traffic increased in 4 times. So that meant a huge African genocide that lasts in Brazil about 380 years, and that's why we need to acknowledge and understand that that was an Holocaust in our history.